What's up, guys? Welcome to That Creative Life. It's me, James Mathis. We're going to talk a little bit about life. I'm going to show you some B-roll of my studio/office so you can see what my setup looks like. And we're just going to have fun today. So let's roll that intro and let's get started. Okay, so starting off the video, let's look at some tasty B-roll of my setup, my office, the way I have everything set up right now. So let's get that going now. Okay, so as you can tell, my office is kind of awesome. It's very relaxing. It's a great place to work. It's when I'm in here, it's time to get stuff done. Now, I can have fun. I can play my Switch, watch some TV, relax. But the main purpose of this room is to work. And so I love having this space, and this space makes me more creative, which makes better videos, and everything works out better. So that's number one. Number two, got some really cool ideas for some videos coming up soon. Some new reviews, including the new camera system, because of a situation that occurred. We won't get into it, but let's just say this is going to be awesome. Got some major projects in the works that I am so excited to share with you. Can't yet, coming soon. So just hold tight for those. Also gonna start doing some more tutorials and stuff because I'm having to do so much heavy edits in Photoshop at work and Premiere Pro and After Effects that I've learned how to do some really insane things. And so we're gonna talk about that. We got a lot of stuff coming up, so I hope you're excited. If you have any questions about that stuff, leave them down below now so we can go ahead and start putting together video ideas for those specific things. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, it means the world to me. Drop a like, do all the things, get that out of the way in the middle. Yeah. Moving on. So let's talk about what's coming up this week. Today's Monday for y'all. For me, it's Sunday. But for y'all, it's Monday. Moving forward, Mondays, Wednesdays, are videos, possibly a Friday occasionally if I have something cool I want to share with y'all, because I have a lot going on coming up with photos and with video. And so I'm really excited to share that stuff with you, but I have to be on a schedule or it's not going to happen. Life update stuff. The wife is about halfway through her pregnancy, so that's going awesome. There's so much cool stuff to learn about that, and there will be a video very soon, whether it's a boy or a girl. So stay tuned for that because I got a really fun idea for that one. Anyways, and lastly, music is not gone, temporarily on hiatus because of everything that I have going on. We'll be back very soon. I'm gonna do some tutorials and stuff on things to do on acoustic, but I'm also gonna throw in some saxophone stuff and piano stuff because I do that, so why not? If you have any questions, again, leave them down below. I love you guys. Don't forget to live that creative life. I will see you next time. Bye.